We're all aware of the multitude of pests and parasites that prey on our beloved pets. We know we need to protect our pets from these parasites to prevent serious sickness or even death in some cases, to say nothing of the discomfort they cause for your beloved pets and your family. So we all routinely use the popular branded tick and flea products as recommended by our vets and pet shops. After all, these are the experts we know and trust. But did you know that all the companies that produce the toxic chemicals we use to protect our pets from ticks and fleas do horrific animal testing on dogs and cats? The procedures are absolutely heartbreaking. The actual procedure they use is known as LD50, which is short for lethal dose 50. Protocol LD50 exposes animals to a particular chemical in order to determine the dose necessary to kill 50% of the test population, dogs and cats. Between 60 and 100 animals are required, and the testing time spans from 2 weeks to many years. When test animals refuse to swallow noxious chemicals, they are force-fed liquid chemicals by stomach tube or through a hole cut in the animal's throat. They coerce animals to breathe chemical fumes. They also apply poisons to the animal's shaved skin and inject chemicals into the animal's abdomen. No painkillers are used. No treatment is given to injured animals, and those innocent creatures not fortunate enough to die are killed, autopsied, or recycled and used for additional testing. LD50 is not only condoned by government agencies, the tests are funded with tax dollars and kept secret from the public. The testing is extremely lucrative for hidden laboratories on college campuses and research facilities and delivers huge profits to pharmaceutical and chemical corporations, pet shops, and veterinarians. Animal experimentation is the most lucrative business in the name of science. The chemicals do kill the parasites. However, consider the following questions. Why do the labels on popular flea and tick products tell you not to handle your pet for 24 to 48 hours after treatment? And why do they tell you their flea killer or squeeze-on is not systemic? I'll tell you why. They want you to believe their toxic poisons are not absorbed into your pet's bloodstream. But the only way their treatment kills fleas and ticks is by the insect drinking the blood of the animal. Millions of pets are getting sick, and many are dying from the deadly chemicals such as permethrin and pyrethrin, used in popular tick and flea medications, and also used in Raid to kill roaches. If you're a responsible pet lover, as fed up as I am being kept in the dark, I'd like to shed some light on the truth. You see, when the big drug companies apply for EPA registration of their products, they're required to perform laboratory tests. Healthy dogs and cats are used as test subjects. Appallingly, EPA test results on file in Washington, D.C. show all of today's most popular name-brand chemical flea killers, tick controls, and spot-ons, all the familiar names, are linked to devastating health effects, including loss of appetite, convulsions, excessive whining, barking, crying, aggressive behavior, body twitches, tremors, stiffened limbs, unsteady gait, lack of coordination, labored breathing, thyroid cancer, liver enlargement toxicity, liver and lung tumors, enlarged kidneys, brain lesions, increased miscarriages, smaller offspring, headache, depression, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. If your pet survives, the toxic overload shortens its lifespan by 25%. Isn't it time we stop the suffering? Surely you would not use these chemical flea and tick products if you knew that those chemicals were tested on innocent animals? You won't want to support these unethical companies if there was a better solution? Well, there is, and it is called the Pet Protector. The Pet Protector improves the pet's blood circulation and the immune system. You put it on the pet's collar, and you forget about tick and fleas bothering your pet for the next 4 years. There are no side effects, and you can put it on any age animal, even newborn pups or kittens. The Pet Protector is without doubt the biggest breakthrough in the anti-parasite industry for 100 years. The cost of the Pet Protector is $73.40, which includes shipping anywhere in the world. Compare that to the $30 per month you are paying for the average size Labrador, based on prices from Petco.com. The cost saving is thus $360 per year times 4. That equals $1,440. The Pet Protector will also save you at least $1,080 per pet over the next 4 years, so it is really a win-win for you and your pet.